So guys, I'm here with Ellie and Amelia. So they're talking right now. Yeah, so I'm going to try HSS with the Sony FX3 right here. You get me? And see how it works. And this is the Sigma Art 35 f1.4. So this is actually a cinema camera, video centric camera, 12 megapixel, 4K 120. So let me see how it looks with taking photos. So guys, can you please come this side? So Ellie, Amelia, one on the left, one on the right. So
I call right.
I call right. Okay. Okay. So I'm currently shooting with the AD400 Pro right now. So let's see how it goes. All right. So guys, so give me like you guys playing with each other around the tree, like hide and seek.
Oh, okay. Count Ellie and I'll run.
No. Don't move away from the tree. Don't move away from the tree. Yeah, don't move away from the tree. All right. So is the case where I can get the slippers off? I mean,
Hide behind the tree.
hide behind the tree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go behind the tree. Go behind the tree.
Where behind the tree? This is behind the tree.
This is behind the tree. Nice. One more. Yo, 12 megapixel, right, man?
We can't see your face.
All right, that's nice. All right, so you can put on them slippers now or remove them. You know, we can put, let's find an expert that or that's I don't see any hands. So we have Dash behind the camera right now. He's shooting on the Fuji X-H2. Yes. What do you think about that camera? Look, it feel light or feel too heavy?
It's light, man. It's very light. It can go.
Once it can go on. It's an 8K beast. This is over that.
Walk down.
Yeah, just walk down.
Come.
Well, then we
Oh,
already
crap.
do that.
All right, so you have to assist me with. Oh no, not too far.
Stop. Turn around.
Yeah, not too far. So hold on to this. Yeah, hold on to this. I probably just want like probably 2 steps. Yeah, because I just want to get them in the light. I'll tell you when to stop. So like right here, so let me see, right here, so right here, so would be good.
Right.
Yeah, so it's like
Stop.
walk and stop right here, like 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, like even skipping.
From here.
Yeah,
So like 1, 2. Okay.
and then stop.
Right there.
So let me see what it looks like. Damn, so we're in Hope Gardens. Yo, I love this space. Thanks to Dash for showing me this wonderful location.
Stand. Okay. Want to do it again?
Yeah, you look good still, you know, they just look really good.
1, 2, step. Okay, cool. All right. Step back and do it again.
All right, so yeah, let's do it again. Walk.
That was 3.
Now it's 3.
I got you.
Should I do 2 or 3?
4. Do you guys do 4.
Do 4 steps, but I mean, look up, look at the camera when you're walking, okay?
Better yet, look at each other.
Okay.
Look at each other. What? Yeah. Yeah, look at each other.
All right, 1,
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, okay. Yeah, look at each other. Walk.
Amelia, look at Ellie.
For a second.
Continue.
Yeah, yeah, look at her, continue.
Ellie, look at Ellie. And then walk.
Ah, that's nice. That was nice. That was nice. That was nice. Yeah, that was
Do it
nice.
one more time?
Yeah, one more time.
Alright.
Yeah.
Go.
That's really nice. Imagine spending 4,000 on a camera to take just photos alone, and it's good at video.
While you take the 4 steps. So I'll count.
12
okay?
megapixel, not bad.
So walk and laugh. Ready?
Yeah, just walk and laugh. That would be good. Yeah, that's nice. Ready? Walk, come to me. Walk, come to me.
Okay. Ellie, Amelia, look at Ellie.
Say, look at the camera.
That's too bright. All right, one more time. Hold on, let me
Look
increase the
at
shutter a
Ellie
bit.
and walk
Do a
down.
test shot.
Stop, Naomi. Stop.
All right, that's too dark.
Come.
Oh, look. If you look, HSS actually come up on the camera, and that was denying it.
So, look at Ellie and laugh and walk.
Okay, welcome guys.
Okay, 4 steps.
1, ready, go.
Laugh.
Lovely.
That
Look,
was
sit here.
fair.
You guys want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Sit here. Nice. Lovely. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Ah, you see? See you guys laughing? It's lovely. All right, so let's get you guys
On the bench.
on the bench. Yeah, that should be good.
Sitting down on the bench.
Sure. Sitting down on the bench. All right, hold this. Let me get the light. That should work. Watch him. Video man. Think a picture lunatic.
You can never remember the light.
No, remember the light. Of course, remember the light. Just fix her skirt so she can sit on her skirt.
On the floor.
Who, Ellie?
Yeah.
On the bench. I'm not Ellie.
Oh,
It's her skirt.
yeah. As in, let she sit on her skirt. She's not sitting on it.
I do have to turn up.
Yeah, let she sit on it. But
It's
come
a
in.
dress.
But oh, correct me now. Well, come in closer. Come in closer. Come in. You guys come in a little bit closer.
A little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more.
So, closer.
I thought you said further.
Okay, that's way too bright. This is at. This is which channel? Is it B? Yes, this is B. So let me go up to 4 and so.
Are you going to throw it off?
No, actually, just gonna shoot from a different angle. All right, so give me one like you guys are talking to each other and then just laughing and talking. Just like yeah. Yeah.
Amelia is older. Ellie, younger.
Younger.
So I have to be taller.
Has to be taller. Is this the rain coming? Yeah. My God, the rain is coming. You know, for those-
It's raining when we're at Mandalore. But it's cold at Mandalore. Can't wait to go to Mandalore.
So guys, the rain is coming, so I probably have to just break down this thing real fast right now. All right.
Jump on my back. Jump on my back. One
Dash,
at a time.
put on the camera.
Nah, hold on.
Hold on.
I can see your back. Yeah, go on my back, Ellie. We got it.
Wait, dog.
Yeah, some come on it.
You're wet.
What kind of thought that, brother? So that's why when you come on shooting it's always good for bringing an assistant.
I'm gonna sit on the other side.
Sure, that's fine. I'm just rest this on the front seat until, let's see. All right, I don't even know what the rain stay. Rain gone?
Of course, we're in there.
Oh, I'll just wait for a bit. I'll just wait for a bit. Yo, I feel like this is one of the fastest shoot ever do. I swear. One of the fastest shoot. So how are you, Dash?
I'm good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold the camera.
Yeah.
That's good. That's
I
good.
try to be a proper tripod.
I'm take a picture of you hold the camera. Shit. Yo, every time I take up this, I always think say, yo, crap, the light is on. Sorry guys. Like I think this doesn't have an EVF, so it's kinda hard to shoot. Yeah, block your face, Dash. Yeah. Dash shoot.